We'll guide you through how to visit ChatGPT headquarters. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the official OpenAI website on your desktop. You'll want to look for the Contact or About Us section, usually found at the bottom of the homepage. Here, you might find a dedicated page for visiting or touring their headquarters. Click on that link to find detailed information about visiting. Often, companies like OpenAI require you to schedule a visit in advance due to security and availability. Look for a booking form or contact information, such as an email or phone number, to arrange your visit. If a form is available, fill it out with your details, including your preferred dates and the reason for your visit. Be sure to include any relevant information they might ask for, such as your interest in AI or any affiliation you have with the tech industry. Once your request is submitted, wait for a confirmation email or call from OpenAI. They might provide additional guidelines or requirements, such as bringing a valid ID or abiding by their visitor policy. Keep in mind that some areas might have restricted access, so it's good to ask in advance if there are specific parts of the headquarters you're interested in seeing. When your visit is confirmed, plan your travel accordingly. Check the address and make sure you know the best route to get there, whether you're driving or using public transportation. It's always a good idea to arrive a little early to allow time for any security checks. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to visiting ChatGPT headquarters. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.